What's up, YouTube? It's Cody 86781 here with Beat Up and Blue Lakai. What's you guys doing? So, what do you think about Derek and his PK addiction, guys?
Cocaine is good for you.
Cocaine? Where the hell do you get cocaine?
I don't know. I know a guy that knows a guy, dude.
Oh yeah, same here.
Do you want some? I can get it on the list.
Name's Rome.
Isn't Rome your ex-girlfriend's fucking brother?
What?
Isn't Rome your ex-girlfriend's brother, dude?
What?
I said Jerome.
Oh, I thought you said Rome. I'm like, dude, isn't that your ex-girl's brother that you're best friends with and didn't tell that you're tapping his girl?
It was not what the funny
So what are you guys doing right now in RS or Alex on Facebook since he's retarded?
I'm talking to my girly friend.
Yeah, me too.
You're talking to his girlfriend, Cayden? That's not good.
Yep. I know. He doesn't know yet.
Damn, Alex. Now you have the same problem I do. He always talks to your girl.
You know.
Dude, that's sarcasm, you know? Never talks to Alyssa.
No, that's what you think.
See? I told you, he always talks to my girl. Always.
Yeah, dude, it's okay. You talk to my girlfriend.
Dude, I talked to her once.
Yeah, and now Brian's starting to talk to her.
Brian's a weirdo. How was he actually today, yo? You met up with him today. How was he? Like, was he awkward or something?
Who?
Brian.
Brian?
Yeah.
No, dude, he's hella cool.
God damn. Cayden, what are you doing?
Too bad you couldn't.
Talking to Alyssa.
She's sleeping, bro.
Talking to Sam.
Yeah. You can pretty much call me Mac Daddy, Cody.
Whatever you think.
Just
Oh my.
Cody.
I wonder how long I have until Grown Ups is done downloading.
So, are you guys gonna keep doing the video shit thing?
Yeah, why
I
not?
didn't even know that was happening.
I'll be making videos.
It's Friday.
Oh my god, I've heard that song so many times.
For the weekend.
Oh my god. Who the hell's typing what? YouTube.com/watch. What does Cayden want us to watch? Getting some hit. Cayden, you dirty pervert.
What is it?
Getting Some Head by Lil Wayne. Fucking Cayden. He's the only one I know that would give us Getting Some Head.
Yeah.
Man, what time is it?
Hey guys, it's Friday.
It is not Friday, dude.
What?
It's Friday.
Christ.
Gotta get down on Friday.
Dude, you're like fucking Peter Griffin in that bird is the word shit. Oh my god, I just got 27 Slayer. I'm crying. It's not like it's my fourth
it?
time.
Yeah, dude, I'm 71 Slayer.
No, you're not, you
Right.
fucking liar.
Yeah, I'm 51. I'm 51.
Yeah, I know you're 51. Don't be lying.
Just kidding, dude. I'm 14 in real life.
Oh, pedophile. I knew you wanted something from me.
You guys actually believe I was 51.
Yeah.
You were 51? So what do you guys want to talk about for the last 2 or 3 minutes of this video?
Oh, you've been
Oh, no shit.
Oh, well, dude.
No, guys, everybody be quiet. I'll show you what I want to. I'll show you what I want to talk about.
Oh, God. This means it's something pornographic. Cayden, stop spamming the fuck out of us. Cayden! Ornithological piece?
Awareness of a certain avian variety. What are you talking about? Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard. For what?
God damn. Don't you know about the word? This is where he freaks out, isn't it?
Oh my God, Peter, are you all right?
You guys are retarded.
Alright.
No, shut up, YouTube.
And with that, YouTube, we are done.